In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot website tracking code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your tracking snippet in HubSpot and how to get it into the right hands so it can start collecting analytics from your website. First, open your browser and head to Google. Type HubSpot and click the official HubSpot website. Once you're there, sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct portal for your organization and that you have permission to access settings. If your account uses two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can get in smoothly. After you're signed in, look to the top of the HubSpot dashboard for the gear icon. That gear is your settings area. Click it to open your account's configuration controls. This is where HubSpot keeps everything related to tracking, analytics, integrations, and more. On the left-hand sidebar of settings, find the section labeled Tracking and Analytics. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the sidebar and type Tracking to jump there quickly. Tracking and Analytics is where HubSpot centralizes your site tracking features, including the tracking code you'll need for websites that aren't hosted directly on HubSpot. Inside Tracking and Analytics, select Tracking Code. This page displays your unique HubSpot tracking snippet. If your site is fully built and hosted in HubSpot, the tracking is generally handled for you. If your website is hosted elsewhere, like WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, or a custom stack, you'll use this snippet to connect those pages back to HubSpot. From here, you have two simple options. You can copy the code directly to your clipboard, or you can use the built-in option to email it to a developer. If you're comfortable making website changes, copy the entire snippet and plan to place it in the global header of your site, just before the closing head tag, so it loads on every page. If a developer or webmaster manages your site, choose the email option and include a short note asking them to add it to the site-wide header. Many teams also install this snippet through a tag manager. If that's how your site is set up, your developer will know the best spot. Once the code is installed, HubSpot will begin tracking page views and user interactions on your site, linking activity to contacts when possible. Data may take a little time to appear, so give it a few minutes and then check your analytics. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Now you know where the HubSpot tracking code lives and how to get it implemented quickly and correctly.